Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to customize your Wrike workspace step by step. If Wrike feels cluttered or not tailored to how you work, a few simple changes can make a big difference. All right, first, start with spaces. Spaces help separate different types of work, like teams, clients, or departments. So make sure you're only keeping the spaces you actually use. Inside each space, organize folders and projects in a way that matches your workflow. Uh, you can group things by phase, priority, or service type to keep everything easy to find. Next, choose the task view that works best for you. List view is great for details, board view works well for status tracking, and timeline view helps with planning. Pick what feels natural. To reduce noise, use filters. You can filter tasks by assignee, status, or due date. So instead of seeing everything, you only see what matters right now. You can also customize workflows to match how your team works, set up statuses that reflect real steps like review or approval. This makes progress easier to understand at a glance. Go into notification settings and choose what updates you want to receive. Too many alerts get distracting, so only keep what's useful. Once everything looks good, save your favorite views. So every time you open Wrike, your workspace opens exactly how you like it. And that's how to customize your Wrike workspace step by step. A well-set workspace saves time and keeps work stress low. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.